Good morning, everybody. Captain Danny here. I'm at the Jacksonville landing. I'm ready to cast off here. We're going to go under the bridge. We're heading to Mayport, and then we're going to go from there down the Intercoastal Waterway. All the lines are untied. I'm going to give it a shove, and I'm going to jump aboard. Alright. Put it in forward gear. Here we go. I'm going to request a bridge opening. Everybody can hear how we do that now. Main Street Bridge Tender. This is the sailing vessel Cindy Mae. I'm requesting a bridge opening, please.
This is Main Street Bridge. Go ahead, Captain.
Yes, I'm requesting a bridge opening. They're dropping the drawbridge crosswalk thingy bobs, the little arms. Got a strong tide pushing against me. It's coming in. Alright, it's going up. This is cool. Dolphins. Haven't seen any dolphins in a long time. Going up. Here we go. More dolphins. Thank you, bridge tender. Thank you.
Sailing vessel went under Main Street. Captain, what's the name of your vessel?
This is the Cindy Mae.
Cindy Mae?
Correct. Cindy Mae.
Roger, Captain. To be as close as you are, Captain, your radio is very weak. You may want to get your antenna checked.
Thank you, sir.
Main Street, standing by 09, monitoring 16 out.
Sailing vessel Cindy Mae, out. There you have it. They say our antenna is weak. They're not getting a good stream. There they are up there in that little hut. Alright, so we made it through that first bridge there that was a one that we couldn't just get right under. I've never been under a bridge like that before. It's pretty cool. Instead of, two sides raising up, the whole span goes up. At any rate, we're headed towards Mayport. Passed by a tugboat, just barely. bridge here. It's too bad we don't have our horn hooked up. We could honk back. I left it down in the cabin down there. Some cool cranes there. What's that? That's how the rich and famous travel. They just put their boats on a ship and off they go. They look like they came from Europe. Looks like a friendly little anchorage spot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boats. I wonder if they ran that one aground on purpose. Everybody's anchored out here. This must be the hangout spot. Now that guy's got to be bumming. Bumming. Wonder if that's from the hurricane.